Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel, to this complete beginner's guide to Perl. And we're going to start off with some strings. So I'm going to create my first string here, my scalar str1, string 1. I'm going to call it how are you. Okay, now all I'm going to do is I'm going to print that out. Print scalar str1. Save it and run it. There we go. How are you? So this string was stored in this variable and we printed the variable out. So let's do something else. We're going to join a string together, so I'm going to create a scalar variable called my name. I'm going to assign that to Bill, and I'm going to create a greeting here, scalar greeting, and I'm going to assign that to howdy. Okay, I'm going to create another variable here. I'm going to call that output. I'm going to assign that to greeting, and I'm going to say dot name. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we're going to print the output here. And this here, whoops, put it in commas. And this here is going to be a new line character. So what we're going to do is we're going to join Bill and howdy together. So let's run that. And there you go, howdy Bill, that was joined together. Okay, let's just take that away there. And we're going to do a little bit of interpolation here. So I'm going to create a scalar variable called name, assign it to Billy, I'm going to create another scalar variable called surname. I'm going to assign that as Bob. Okay, I'm going to create another variable called output. I'm going to assign that to hello, and I'm going to have scalar name, and then it's going to be scalar surname. Okay, so we're going to put these two names into the string. Now all we've got to do is print scalar output using the Newline character here. Save it. Let's run it. There we go. So we've done that. Hello Billy Bob. Okay. Right, so the next one we're going to do a new line character, my scalar new line, assign it to a new line, and then we're going to print new line. Save that, print that out. Whoops, made a little bit of an error there. Shouldn't put that on. Okay, let's try it again. There we go, a new line. Now we're going to use the tab character. So again, I'm going to create a scalar variable called my name, assign it to Billy, and my scalar surname, which is going to be Bob. Okay. My scalar output, which is going to be equal to name. I'm going to have a slash here and a T. Scalar name. Another slash. Another T. It's going to be scalar surname. And then we're going to print scalar output. And a new line there using the tab character. Let's run that. And there we go. You can see the difference that's made. So, I hope you've enjoyed that, and I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.